Hey y'all, it's Keaira. Welcome back to my channel. First thing first is go ahead and subscribe. I'm trying to get my numbers up, so subscribe, and just go ahead and like this video because you're gonna like it. Okay, so today we're doing something new. We're doing get ready with me, a full get ready with me. We're gonna do my makeup, my hair. I'm gonna put a look together as I get ready for like date night and my sister's graduation party. So if you want to see all of the glam, go ahead and keep watching. So my sister just graduated. She's an educator. She got her bachelor's degree in education or something like that. So she's having a graduation party. She actually graduated last week, but I was in DC. I didn't get a chance to go to graduation, but I did style her for it. So she did like a really cute little green look. I might post a picture so y'all can see. Just a cute green dress, some booties. Her hair was real cute. Like, it was just real cute. So this week she decided to have a graduation party. So she actually just left my house. I did her makeup and I curled her hair for her so she can be on point. So yeah, y'all know I'm not a makeup artist, I'm not a hairstylist, I do wardrobe, but look, I'm the type of person where I believe in knowing how to do it yourself. Since you gotta know how to do your own makeup, you gotta know how to do your own hair. Listen, you might have to know how to do your own nails. Like, I'm just a strong like believer, and I'm just like part of team do it yourself. So I'm not a professional hair or makeup artist, but if I need to, I can definitely slay your hair and makeup and style you. Okay, so first we're gonna start with brows. I'm still using my little cheap beauty supply $1.99 pencil. I thought about trying the Maybelline's pencil, but this one just works so good. I'm like, I'll just continue to use it. I just follow the shape of my natural brow. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills little number 12 spoolie brush. Excuse my daughter down there. She down there having girl talk. Y'all know how teenagers are. And that's it. I don't do like too much to my brows because they're basically already pretty thick. So yeah, that's basically it for the brow. I'm gonna use color correct with my Milani. Can't see it, I'll pop a picture on the screen. And I'm using my Danielle brand eyeshadow blender brush to color correct. I'm just using this orange shade. Color correct around my mouth, dark spots. I've had this breakout like around the side of my face for like the last 3 months. I'm like, OMG. So color correct right there. I think I'm gonna go ahead and clean up under my brows a little bit with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. So normally I do this for a little bit of my hands. And I'll use the same brush just to blend. I'll just clean them up a little bit. So I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna use for foundation my Fit Me Matte Poreless. There we go. So for foundation, I'm using my Fit Me Matte Poreless, and I'm also gonna use my NARS in Caracas and the Fit Me Matte Poreless in Spicy Brown. I'm gonna go ahead and mix these two together, and I never did this before. So hopefully, oh, that was a little too much drop. And I'm using the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, and I'll just go ahead and kind of mix those together. Y'all know, if you watch my makeup videos before, that I don't really like to put a lot of makeup on my head, on my forehead, because it's just, I don't need it. Like, my problem areas are my cheeks. That's where I get most of my hyperpigmentation. So make sure you get that neck. I feel like I look a little orange on camera. Next, I'll go in with concealer, and I'm using a Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the color Caramel Caramel. Pretty snatched. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more. I'm gonna use my Deluxe Crease Brush by Real Techniques to add a little bit of bronzer to my lid. My lashes are pretty old. I need to get a feel. I do have individual lashes. I'm kind of over them though. I think I'm gonna take them off and give my eyes a break. So I'm using my Sephora Spice palette brush, and this is my bronzer right here. I love this bronzer. Beauty blender just to blend everything in. gonna go back in with my Sephora Spice Market Blush Palette with the same bronzer I used on my eyelid. I'm gonna use that on my cheeks to kind of do like a soft contour. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in Medium Deep. I'm just gonna set my face. I'm gonna use my Danielle powder brush. I'm gonna use a little bit of the concealer brush. Just go in with that powder and kind of lock that concealer in. And y'all, we're almost done because that's pretty much it. Take off my scarf to make sure, you know, sometimes when you do your makeup with your scarf on, to make sure you get around that head. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. And I'm using a bold lip liner by NK, like a brand from the beauty supply. And I am gonna overline my lips because I really don't have lips. So it's already lined my lips. So for lipstick, I'm going to use MAC Cream Sheen in the color Cream in Your Coffee. It's almost like the color of the lip liner. Oh, that's pretty. Then I'm going to add a little bit of Tarte. I don't know what, I got this from Sephora for free. It's like a Tarte, I don't know, I think it's like a liquid lip stain in a color Birthday Suit. I'm gonna add it right in the middle just to kind of lighten it up a bit. I thought I was done, but my last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight to my nose. Okay, y'all, so that's it for the makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and then I'll be back to take down my... Okay, y'all, I lied. I'm gonna take my hair down first and then I'll get dressed. So I had my hair in these two braids for about 2 days, couple days. I think before I post this video, I might have posted another video. I did blow dry and straighten my hair for the first time this year, and it's been about, this is week 2 of this straight hair. I'm just stretching it. So I did 2 French braids using a little bit of some Shea Moisture, a curl enhancing smoothie. So yeah, we'll see. I think it'll be like that bedhead hair type of vibe. It's pretty and wavy. I think I'm just gonna wear a middle part and just kind of like wear it behind my ears like this. That's pretty. Edges have already been laid. So yeah, just the middle part on. And then just, it's cute, right? I'm not gonna lie, I have been enjoying my hair just kind of blown out. Kind of love it. Okay, so this is my hair, y'all. Just, I guess it's like a quick little braid out. And I'm gonna figure out what I'm wearing. I don't know what I'm wearing yet. I might pick between two options and show you guys, but yeah, let's go ahead and get dressed because your girl is running late. Okay, so yeah. Okay, y'all, this is new for me. I don't ever like film like this, but I decided to wear this cute blouse from It's Vintage. I decided to wear this cute vintage blouse from my vintage collection that I've had forever, and I paired it with some high waist jeans from Keaira that are just super comfy and they just fit really nice. And my favorite belt from Zara. This belt just makes everything look good and chic. I'm so obsessed with this belt, y'all. Yeah, this is such a new filming style for me, but let me know if y'all like my little get ready with me videos, and like I would totally do them again. So yeah, this is the look. Vintage blouse, high waist jeans, really cute belt from Zara, and I don't know what shoes I'm gonna put on, but this is what I'm thinking. Y'all, look at my hair. The hair and makeup turned out so pretty. What y'all think? Pretty, right? Okay, I'm thinking about throwing on these little booties with it. I'm not 100% sure. I might just get like lazy and throw on some black combat boots. Like, I'm not even gonna front. But yeah, y'all, this is my look. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let me flip back to my other camera so I can end this video. Okay, y'all, we are all done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed getting ready with me, the hair, the makeup, the outfit, and all that. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, sis. Be sure to like this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe. I'm trying to get my numbers up, y'all. So yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all thought. Let me know if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions for a new video. Just let me know, sis. Okay, I appreciate the feedback. Okay, so I will see you guys next time. Bye.